Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Android University. My name is Hobart. This is the Verizon Samsung Galaxy S3 running Beanstown 106's stock Touchwiz build number 9. Very cool ROM. Absolutely amazing. We'll get to that in a second. If you're not familiar with flashing ROMs, I'll show you really quick how to do it. First, you're going to want to go into Clockwork Mod Recovery. I use the Easy Recovery app. Reboot into Recovery. You have to be rooted in order to flash this ROM, and of course you have to be unlocked as well. If you don't know how to unlock your bootloader, there's another video over on my YouTube page, Android University, and it's got the app that will allow you to unlock your bootloader. Both of them have to be done before you're able to flash this. This is not a Kazek ROM. Now, once you're in the Clockwork Mod Recovery, you're going to want to go down to Wipe Data Factory Reset, which is the third option down. Probably kind of hard to see. I'll try to tilt the phone here. You're also going to want to type in Wipe Cache. And once you've, not type in, but select. Once you've done that, you're going to go to Advanced and Wipe Dalvik Cache. That's the second option down. Once you've done that, you're going to go back to the screen that says Install Zip from SD card, which is the second option down. You're going to choose Zip from SD card, which is the first option. Go down to where you've downloaded the file, which should be probably in your download folder. You go into your download folder, find the ROM that you want. I've got it right here, right there. It's the Beans Custom ROM build number 9. You select that and install. Now, once it's installed, you're going to go into something called the Aroma Installer. If you've never used that before, it's okay. It's pretty easy. The Aroma Installer allows you to basically create your own custom ROM in a way. Beanstown gives you the options in the Aroma Installer, and you choose which ones you want. If you want the Touchwiz launcher, like I've selected, you can have it. If you want Apex or Nova, you can select that, and that will be your stock launcher. If you want your clock to be in the center, Center Clock Mod is an option as well. Verizon Bloatware is also an option. If you want the Verizon apps, those are also can be put into the ROM. So you can customize the ROM however you want it, and then it will actually flash the ROM per what you said, which is pretty cool. I've never used the Aroma Installer before. I know more developers are going to be putting it in their ROMs to let you customize your own ROM. Now, once you're all booted up here, it takes a little bit longer, the first boot to boot up, so don't worry about that. Just leave it, and it will boot up. But Beanstown has put a bunch of Jelly Bean animations in here. He's put the Jelly Bean wallpapers in here, so it looks like Jelly Bean, works like Jelly Bean. It just isn't. So if you go down to About Phone, or About Device, oops. You're at Android 4.0.4. You're running the lean kernel version 0.2. Version 0.3 just came out. I've downloaded it. I'm going to flash it here soon. And I've got all these permissions being granted down here so you can't see, but the build, there it is, Custom Stock Build 9 by Beanstown 106. This is based on Touchwiz, so everything works like it should. The camera works. The video camera works, which is great. Data works, Wi-Fi works. The only thing with AOSP-based ROMs or Cyanogen mods 9 or 10 is that some of the things don't work yet because they're still trying to get it figured out on this device. Whereas Touchwiz is by Samsung, and they've made everything work. So Beanstown's just kind of tweaked it, taken out all the crap that we don't want in it. But a very smooth ROM, absolutely amazing. And I'm running the Touchwiz launcher. Now, something I found last night, the kernel does have the ability to do fast charge. If you go into your terminal emulator and type in FFC enter, that is going to enable fast charge, which will disable your data transfer. So you will not be able to, move files back and forth from your computer. But last night I did go from 70 to 100% in about 45 minutes, which is sweet. Now, once you've done that fast charge and you want to go back to being able to transfer data, just go back into terminal emulator and type in FFC one more time, enter, and that will toggle it off. You'll be back to the regular speed of charge, but you will be able to move data back and forth between the phone and the computer. All right. Let's see what else did I want to show you here. The icons are all AOSP icons, so that's another thing that he did to make it look more like an Android open source project or Cyanogen mod stock-based ROM rather than Touchwiz. Google Now works great as well. We'll ask it how the weather's going to be today. How's the weather going to be today?
The forecast for Harrisonburg today is 82 degrees with a chance of storm.
So there you go, and it's got my Google searches down here for weather if I wanted it. We got the pull-down navigation bar. He's got a lot of options up here for you. You can pretty much do anything from this navigation bar. And a lot of people said that where's the little X when you have a notification? Where's the X? Well, the X is actually in the top here, way up underneath the time. So that's one thing there. But other than that, it's a pretty sweet ROM, very smooth, works great, everything works in it. It's probably the best Samsung Galaxy S3 Verizon Touchwiz based ROM right now, along with Synergy, but I like this one personally. So give it a try, and don't forget to check out my other videos, Android University, all one word, over on youtube.com. And that's my review of the stock build number 9 Touchwiz based ROM by Beanstown 106. It's Hobart. Have a great day.